Real estate investing can be a lucrative and fulfilling way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Here are 5 essential steps for getting started in real estate investing. Number 1. Research the market. Before you start investing in real estate, it's important to research the market and understand the local real estate trends. Look at factors such as property values, rental rates, and demand for rentals in the area. Number 2. Determine your investment strategy. There are several different strategies for investing in real estate, including buying and holding properties, flipping houses, or becoming a landlord. Determine which strategy aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. Learn about financing options. There are several financing options available for real estate investors, including traditional mortgages, owner financing, and hard money loans. Research these options and determine which one is the best fit for you. Number 4. Build a team of professionals. Successful real estate investors often surround themselves with a team of professionals, including a real estate agent, lawyer, and accountant. These professionals can help you navigate the real estate market and make informed decisions. And number 5, network with other investors. Building a network of other real estate investors can be valuable for learning about new opportunities and getting advice. Consider joining a local real estate investor group or attending real estate networking events. By following these tips and doing your research, you can get started in real estate investing. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take the first step towards achieving your financial goals today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more great content for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.